what I do, we always got something brand new for you. If I'm climbing mountains or swimming in the sea, my content is always unique. You'll be entertained by all my adventures. This video will surely be a venture. So without further ado, let's get into this video made just for you. Snowcat Ridge. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time on Monster Matthew. Snowcat Ridge, and we're about to go on one of... Yep, let's go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video that I made a long time ago. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.